All right, so it's the end of 2018. 2018 was a great year. 2019 is going to be even a better year. We're out here at Mosquito Lagoon. The dolphins are out here. They're flipping around. It's pretty nice. We're making some shrimp quesadillas. They have cilantro, red onion, jalapeno, and of course shrimp. So stay with us. I'm gonna make some shrimp quesadillas. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in there, maybe a couple tablespoons. And then I'm going to put some vegetables in here. Just some casualties. Red onions. Maybe, I don't know, quarter of a cup, maybe. This is 2 jalapenos chopped up. A bunch of cilantro. Maybe a quarter cup of cilantro. I like cilantro, so just, use that at your own discretion. Some people like it, some people don't. Garlic. I used 4 cloves, and I just chopped it up. And then I used 1 full tomato, and I chopped it up too. And throw that in there. Deveined shrimp. I went ahead and I peeled them and took the tails off. We've got some of this amazing MexiCajun. We're going to go ahead and get them seasoned up. I'm going to just do that in this bowl. Get them covered completely. And I'm also going to use some of this datil seasoning. This is from my daughter's wedding. It's from homegrown datil peppers from Jacksonville Beach. Haven't used it yet. Kind of excited to see what it tastes like. Smells really good. Okay. They're not for you, Sadie. Sadie wants to eat the shrimp. All right. All right, so that's pretty good. So it's ready for the shrimp to go in here now. Okay. I'm just going to get these brown or pink, really. And once they're a little bit pink, I'm going to add just a little bit of wine. So just give it a minute. I'll flip them. Second. I'm going to squeeze. Oh, wait. I got to squeeze the lime. All right. I'm just going to squeeze a half a lime in here. I rolled the lime so more juice would come out earlier inside. Trying to get as much as I can. Okay. All right, I'm just going to put just a little bit of wine in here. Maybe, I don't know. I doubt it's even a quarter of a cup. Then I'm going to pour some for me too. I'm just going to let it simmer. And until some of the alcohol cooks off. And then it will be good to go. So we have the shrimp and the concoction on the vegetables and stuff right here, okay? So I'm going to put it on the tortilla, and then we're going to add cheese and everything else. And we're going to put it on the grill. So just going to lay these on here. I made one of these for Jeff's daughter earlier, and he said I made it huge, so if it's huge, I don't know how to make small food, apparently. All right, I'm going to add some cheese. And I'm going to fold it up. All right. All right. got one made. Just make another one. I think this one will have more shrimp, so it can be for Jeff. It'll even be bigger. Okay. All right. Shrimpies in there. Some vegetables. All right, we're gonna add some cheese. This is just Mexican cheese, so nothing fancy since we're camping. All right. So we've got both of them folded up. We get this duck fat because Jeff likes it a lot. We're gonna go over to the grill. So we got this Pit Boss set at 350. I'm gonna attempt to spray these with the duck fat and put them on this Pit Boss. So I'm gonna open this up, see how talented I am here. Okay, hopefully, I'm gonna try to do it like this. Okay. All right, that went a lot better than I thought it was gonna go. All right, close that up. And I don't think it's gonna take that long. We'll check them in about 5-10 minutes. All right, it's been closer to 8 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip them now. So let's go ahead and open up this Pit Boss. Oh, this one's oozing everywhere. We're gonna go ahead and, whoop, it's hot. Flip it over. Yep, I'm gonna move this over because it's on the side where it's, all that's coming out. And, whew. It's gonna be hard to flip. Flip him. There we go. All right. I don't like it so close to the flame. Let's move it a little bit. Okay. All right. It's time to get these shrimp quesadillas off the grill before they burn up. All right. We were out looking at dolphins. We weren't totally paying attention. Okay, I got that one. And this one. Fantastic. All right, so it was 8 minutes on the first side, 4 minutes on the second side. I just stabbed myself. And you can see it got a little bit toasted on this one over here, but it's gonna be good anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this. Sorry about my fingers. We're camping, so, you know, it is what it is. All right. You kind of see, cheese is good and melty. And go ahead and cut this one as well. This one's a little bit toastier. It was on the, where the heat comes out of the Pit Boss there. Okay. It's nice and melty inside. They're gonna be very tasty. I'm excited to taste these. All right, so got a little bit of sour cream. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream in here. And it needs a little salsa. And some cilantro. I think everything's better with cilantro myself. So,
are you going to give me a bite, or do I just have to sit here and smell it?
No, you have to smell it for a while. All right. Well, actually, you can have this whole thing.
I don't want a whole thing. Just
oh, come on.
People think I'm a slob.
All right. I'll cut you a piece. Well, then I don't know if you're going to get like everything.
Smell pretty good.
All right. Do you want any sour cream?
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, yeah, maybe a little bit.
All right. Here you go.
Okay. I got a big hunk of shrimp. I can tell you that.
Well, it's hard to try to do this
Well,
without.
that's a good thing. A big hunk of shrimp.
Okay. It's hard to I mean, this is hard to try to like,
Don't cut your thumb off.
I don't know how to do this. This is hard.
What do you call this?
Shrimp quesadilla.
Shrimp quesadilla. Ba quesadilla.
Okay.
Nickelback, right?
Yeah. People don't like Nickelback.
Yeah, I get it. Cheers.
Okay.
It's going to be a big bite. Give me a minute to chew.
You did it all in one bite?
Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So I get a
That's
spice
super good.
right away.
Mm-hmm.
The shrimp are so juicy. They're fresh here, right out of Mosquito Lagoon. Mmm. All right, so I wasn't really paying much attention to what you were doing. I was busy filming. Tell me all that's in this. I get cilantro. I get some spice. Definitely some spice. I don't know what that's coming from.
How about the datil?
The shrimp are incredible. Did you put datil in it?
Mm-hmm. I used that stuff from my daughter's wedding.
Cheesy goodness.
Mm-hmm. It's good. I also used the MexiCajun.
Oh, did you?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're not familiar with datil peppers, they're one level below habanero peppers in terms of heat, but they're sweeter than habaneros. Most people that try datil,
Good.
St. Augustine, Florida grows like 90% of the world's supply. Most people that try datil, they eat them for the rest of their life. You know, because you can not put a lot in a dish, and you get that nice sweetness and a little bit of heat. They're absolutely delicious. I believe I even get a little bit of the, did you say MexiCajun? I
Yeah.
believe I'm getting that.
And I
These
use
shrimp-
jalapenos too.
I don't know if that comes out, but these shrimp are juicy. You cooked them perfectly. Don't get
Thanks.
like a big head or nothing.
A big head.
This is your video, so you want to wrap it up?
Mm. So,
Yummy. I'm even getting some grilled char. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
so you like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Right on. So I did it okay?
It's better than okay. She has to like have her ego lifted up.
He says I don't know how to cook.
Can we finish the video?
Oh, but he says I don't know how to cook. So, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. And there's a bell. So, what do they do with the bell? I forget.
Click it.
Click the bell.